In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign people in Monday.com. Getting started with assigning tasks to your team members is a breeze when you know the right steps. First, ensure that you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you'd like to assign people. This could be a project tracker or a task board depending on your needs. Make sure you're in the main table view to have a clear look at all your columns. Now, if you don't already have one, let's add a people column. Head over to the far right side of your board and click on Add Column. From the list that appears, select People. You can customize this column by renaming it to something that suits your project, such as Assignee, Project Owner, or Team Responsible. The People column is essential because it lets you assign specific team members to various tasks or items on your board. Once the People column is set up, it's time to assign someone to a task. Click inside the empty cell within the People column for the task you wish to assign. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of all workspace members. Choose the person or people you want to task with that item. Once selected, their profile icon will appear in the cell, making it clear which team members are responsible for the task. In Monday.com, you can even assign multiple people to the same task, supporting collaborative efforts. If your workspace uses the Pro feature of Teams, you can assign an entire team to a task. Simply go to the People column and type in the team name, like Marketing Team. Select the team and all members will be notified, able to collaborate on the task. You can manage teams by going to Admin, then selecting teams. To keep track of who is assigned to what, there are several effective methods. You can use the Filter view by clicking Filter and selecting a team member's name to see tasks assigned to them. Alternatively, the My Work dashboard in the left menu shows all tasks assigned to you across different boards. Pro users can also utilize the Workload view to monitor task distribution, making sure no team member is overloaded. Once a task is assigned, the team member will get a notification within Monday.com and an email alert if they have enabled this option. Their profile picture will appear next to the assigned task, serving as a handy reminder of their responsibility. Don't forget, you can keep them accountable by adding updates to the task, tagging them with the mention feature, and setting due dates. Using the @ symbol in updates is a great way to bring specific team members' attention to particular details. So, there you have it. Assigning tasks in Monday.com is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to manage your projects with clarity and